In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Typeform in Fastpage. If you already have a Typeform built and a page in Fastpage ready to edit, you're set. We'll move from grabbing your embed code in Typeform to placing it exactly where you want it on your site. Start by signing into your Typeform account and opening the form you want to display. Inside the form editor, look for the Share panel. This is where Typeform gives you all the options to publish your form beyond a direct link. Choose the option labeled Embed in a web page. That tells Typeform you want a snippet of code you can place on your site. Now you'll pick an embed type. Standard places the form in line inside your page content. Full page takes over the entire page area, great for dedicated survey pages. Pop-up opens the form in a modal window after a click, which is good if you want to keep your layout clean. Slider appears as a tray from the side or bottom and is useful for quick feedback. Select the style that best matches your design and goal. Before you copy the code, customize the settings. You can adjust the height so the form fits your layout without extra scroll bars, and you can tweak mobile behavior so it looks great on phones. Many sites benefit from enabling auto resize so the form expands with content. Review any color or button options provided in the panel to keep the embed consistent with your brand. When it looks right, click Start Embedding, then click Copy to grab the generated HTML embed code. Make sure you copy the entire snippet exactly as Typeform provides it. It usually includes a container element and a script that does the heavy lifting. Switch over to your Fastpage editor and open the page where the form should appear. Add an HTML code widget in the section of the page where you want the form to live. With the widget open, paste the Typeform embed code into the HTML field. You should see a preview or placeholder indicating that the code has been accepted. If you don't see the form yet, double-check that the code wasn't truncated and that the widget supports scripts. Also confirm you use the correct embed type for your layout. That's it. You've taken the embed code from Typeform and placed it on your Fastpage using an HTML code widget. Your form is now ready to collect responses right from your site.